Next packaging material is rubber, which is used for packaging of pharmaceutical product. It is used in the pharmaceutical industry to make the closures, stoppers, cap liners, bulbs of dropper assemblies. Rubber components are either from the natural or synthetic sources. Means rubber are obtained from naturally, and some on this raw material or on this natural rubber, some processes are performed and then we get a synthetic rubber. Natural rubber having good sealing and fragmentation properties, sealing, resealing because of elasticity property to the rubber. It having good sealing and fragmentation property. First point, it is used in the pharmaceutical industry. Rubber, it is used in the pharmaceutical industry to manufacture the closures, stoppers, cap liners. These are the droppers. Bulbs of the droppers are prepared or manufactured by using the rubber, and these are the cap liners. For their preparation, rubbers is used as a packaging material. Also some closures. Closures means this one. Screen is visible.
Yes,
ma'am.
Closures means these are the closures and they are also manufactured by using the rubber, and these are the cap liners. They are also manufactured by using rubber, and these are the bulbs of the dropper. So for manufacturing of the different packaging, different pharmaceutical packaging, rubber, it is used as a packaging material. The next point, advantages of rubber. It is easy to use. Rubber, it is easy to use. It is inexpensive, means it is not costly. Because they are available in nature. Naturally, they are available, and by performing some processes, synthetic rubbers are performed or synthetic rubbers are synthesized. Therefore, they are not costly. Then they are soft and stretchable. Stretchable means movable. Do you know about stretchable? Stretchable and softer. Then it has ability to remove easily from any articles. Means rubber closures having ability to remove easily because of its stretchable property or its elasticity property. They are easily removed from any article. Then next point, it is soft. It exhibits good abrasion resistance. What is abrasion?
Scrapping
Any
anywhere.
idea? Yes.
Anywhere.
घर्षण होणे. इट एक्झिबिट गुड अब्रेजन रेजिस्टन्स, म्हणजे रबर जी आहे ती चांगली घर्षण प्रतिरोधक आहे, रेजिस्ट करते टू अपोज. देन नेक्स्ट वन, इट इज सॉफ्ट इन नेचर, देयरफॉर इजी टू इन्सर्ट अँड रिमूव्ह. रबर rubbers are soft in nature or hard in nature.
Soft in nature.
Because of they are soft in nature, they can be easily insert to any container and easily removed. Then next point, a perfect fit is provided in between the closure and neck of the glass container due to elasticity property. Perfect fit means perfectly this closure which is made from the rubber, there is perfect fit in between neck of the glass container due to elasticity property of this rubber. Means this is glass container, okay, and there is perfect fit of this closure because of here this closure are made from the rubber, or at the inner part of this closure there is rubber material is placed, therefore there is perfect fit is provided in between. This is neck of glass. Is it screen is visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is neck of the glass. There is perfect fit in between the neck of glass and this closure because of here rubber material is placed or this closure is made from the rubber. Because of elasticity property, there is perfect fit provided in between this closure and this neck of the glass container. This is also advantage of the rubber. Rubber or metal?
Rubber.
Rubber.
So these are the advantages of rubber. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, disadvantages. First one, permeation of water vapor and means permeability to the water vapor and oxygen. Means when they are in contact with the water vapor and oxygen, there may be some effect is observed on the rubber. Then loss of volatile component from the formulation. Means if any formulation which containing volatile substances. What is volatile? Volatile meaning, do you know?
उडून जाणारे.
Means they are easily evaporated at the particular temperature, sometime at the room temperature. If there is some volatile components are present in this pharmaceutical product, which is stored in the container and their closure is made from the rubber, at that time there is chances to lose this volatile component from their formulation. समजतोय हा point? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pharmaceutical formulation. Suppose a container आहे. In this container, जे pharmaceutical product आहे, formulation आहे, ते आपण fill केले. After that, sealing by using this rubber closure. If this formulation contain volatile component, then there is sometimes chances of loss of this volatile component. Sometimes ते volatile component हे evaporate होऊ शकतात. This is disadvantage of this rubber closure. Then next point, some rubbers are very sensitive to heat. Heat la rubbers are sensitive astat, means when they are in contact with heat, they may shows variation or changes. Then rubber has offensive odor. That is very unpleasant smell. त्याची smell check केली आहे कधी तुम्ही रबरची?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this odor is offensive, that is unpleasant smell. Then they are brittle upon the long exposure to the heat. Brittle means
ठिसूळ.
on the long exposure to the heat. When rubbers are long exposed to the heat, when they are comes long time in contact with the heat, then they becomes brittle. Then last one, they do not have a long shelf life. Shelf life means it is a particular time period for this product is stored, which is suitable for the use. So this shelf life is do not have any shelf life to the rubber. Rubber closures, they do not have any long shelf life, means there is not proper time to store any pharmaceutical product for their suitable use. These are the disadvantages of the rubber. Then next one is the types of rubber. The main types of the rubber used for the pharmaceutical product include natural rubber, neoprene rubber, nitrile rubber, butyl rubber, chlorobutyl rubber, bromobutyl rubber, and silicone rubbers. Means there are different or many types of the rubbers. They are used as a packaging material for this pharmaceutical product. It includes natural rubber, neoprene rubber, nitrile rubber, butyl rubber, chloroprene rubber, silicone rubber, chlorobutyl rubber, bromobutyl rubbers. Rubbers are the component, they contain more additives. What is additives? In previous lecture, we also discussed additives. Do you remember? Yes or no? The additives are the substances they are added in the small quantity to improve or to preserve this packaging or any formulation. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the rubber component, they also contain more additives, and hence there is product package interaction should be properly tested before they are used for the parental product. ज्यावेळेस पॅरेंटल प्रोडक्ट स्टोअर करण्यासाठी आपण हे जे कंटेनर्स घेणार आहे, देअर क्लोजर इज मेड फ्रॉम द रबर, तर ते कंटेनर एकदा टेस्ट करायचं आहे. इट शुड बी टेस्टेड प्रॉपरली बिफोर फिलिंग ऑफ द पॅरेंटल प्रिपरेशन. Then next one, also injections मध्ये ते at the end ते बाहेर सम क्वांटिटी फिल करण्यासाठी बाहेर घेतात. देन आतमध्ये त्याच्या ऍट दी एंडला आपण थंबनी जिथं प्रेस करतो तिथं पण रबरचं असतं. पाहिलंय कधी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before filling of parental preparation or parental products are filling in this container, at the time it should be tested properly to avoid the interaction in between this package and product. म्हणजे त्या प्रोडक्ट मध्ये आणि त्याच्या पॅकेजिंग साठी मटेरियल यूज केले त्यांच्यामध्ये इंटरॅक्शन होणार नाही. ते इंटरॅक्शन अवॉइड करण्यासाठी ते टेस्ट करायचे आहेत आणि त्याच्यासाठी some additives are also added in this rubber component. Then rubbers are also used in the aerosols and metered dose pump. Do you know metered dose pump?
No, ma'am. No.
These are the metered dose pump, that is inhalers. In asthmatic patient, they are used inhalers.
Yes,
These are
ma'am.
the metered
Yes,
dose
ma'am.
pump.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the preparation or manufacturing of this pump, here rubber is used. So rubber which is used as a packaging material for manufacturing of metered dose pump and also for the aerosols. These are the aerosols. Here, spray, deodorant, antiperspirant, they are available in aerosols. हे जे प्रेस करताय, it is also made from the rubber. आणि aerosolचं construction हे आणखी सेपरेट असतं. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इथं प्रेस करता, स्प्रे बाहेर येतो. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When you are pressing here, the spray is come out. So हे कसं येतं, याच्यामध्ये एक लिक्विड फिल केलेलं असतं, लिक्विड अँड गॅसेस. आणि ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही हे प्रोपेलंट आहे, ही जी ट्यूब दिसते, कर्सर दिसतोय सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इथं प्रेस करता, व्हॉल्व ह्याला म्हणतात, तर इथं प्रेस केल्यानंतर ह्या ट्यूब मधून ते लिक्विड बाहेर येतं. आणि दे ऑब्झर्व, इट इज ऑब्झर्व इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाईक दिस. तर हे ऑब्झर्व असं होतं. एरोझोलचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन कसं असतं समजते?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तर हे प्रोपेलंट यूज केलेलं असतं. बाय यूज ऑफ दिस प्रोपेलंट, when you apply pressure here in the valve, then this liquid or gaseous preparation comes out. This is construction of aerosols. So for the construction or manufacturing of metered dose pump and this aerosol, rubber is also used as a packaging material. Then also rubber, it is used for many applications such as closures for the bottles and the vials. Vials. Do you remember vials? Ampules vials. These are the vials. So closure of these vials, they are also made from the plastic. Vials समजले तुम्हाला?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So their closures are made by using rubber as a packaging material. Rubber are used for manufacturing of aerosol, metered dose pump, then closures of some bottles, vials. vials and seals of plungers of syringes, plastic bag, and for IV administration set means rubber which is used as a packaging material for packaging of different pharmaceutical product. Then let's see one by one which types of the rubber used or their properties. In which first one silicone rubber, then chloroprene rubber, it is also known as neoprene, then second nitrile rubber and butyl rubber. First one is silicone rubber. It is expensive, then heat resistance means it opposes to the heat and extremely low absorption. Absorption process माहिती है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Condition in which something is taken in. So that is absorption. Then they are permeable to moisture and gases. Firstly, silicone rubbers are expensive. What is expensive?
Costly.
Cost. So then they are heat resistance. Heat ला ते oppose करतात. Also, they shows extremely low absorption. Then they are permeable to moisture and gases. Means when they are in contact with the moisture and gases, there may be some effects are observed. Properties of silicone rubber. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And next
Yes, ma'am.
one is chloroprene. Chloroprene rubbers, they are also known as what?
Neoprene.
Neoprene. They are oil resistance means they resistor to oil. Resistance the meaning माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना? To oppose, to resistor.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So they are oil resistance and heat stability is good. Chloroprene. Okay. Chloroprene or neoprene, it is type of rubber. They having the heat stability is good. Means if they in presence of heat, there may be not changes occur in the rubber. This one also important on the basis of objective question. Which type of the rubber is good, shows good heat stable property? Which rubber?
Chloroprene. Chloroprene.
Known as neoprene.
Chloroprene rubber. Roll number 7, are you present? Roll number 7. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the properties of silicone rubber. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roll number 40. Read it.
Okay, ma'am.
जेवायचं आहे ना?
It is expensive.
40 roll number Shinde Madhuri.
Yes, ma'am.
Rule number 40, read the properties of silicon rubber.
Okay, ma'am. First one, it is expensive. Second one, heat resistance. Third one, extremely low absorption. Fourth one, permeable to moisture gases.
Then next,
Chloroprene. It is called neoprene. First one, oil resistance. Second one, health stability good.
'58. Roll number 58. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the types of rubber. First two types.
Silicon rubber. And second, chloropropene.
Properties.
Silicon rubber. It is expensive, heat resistance, extremely low absorption, permeable to moisture gases.
Then next,
Chloropropene, neoprene, oil resistant,
chloroprene.
chloroprene. Yeah. Oil resistance, heat stability, good.
Okay. Then next type, nitrile rubber. They are also oil resistance, heat resistance, absorption of bactericides. What is bactericides? Any idea? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Bactericides means these are the substances, they kill the bacteria. So absorption of the bacteria is done through which rubber?
Nitrile rubber.
Okay, this one also asked for objective. Then they are oil resistance, means they resist to the oil, and heat resistance means same, they opposes to the heat. Then next one, fourth, butyl rubber. Absorption of water is low. In butyl rubber, absorption of water is low, that is permeability to the water, and after that their absorption is low. Then they are relatively cheaper as compared to the other synthetic rubber. What is cheaper? Cheap. Yes, roll number 15.
Low quality.
Swasth.
Swasth.
Swasth. Low quality.
Cheaper means in the low price. So it's not about quality. So they are relatively cheaper as compared to the synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber cost compare केलं तर as compare butyl rubbers are cheaper. म्हणजे त्या low cost मध्ये available आहेत. The next one, slow decomposition is takes place. This butyl rubber, their decomposition of this rubber is slowly takes place. म्हणजे slowly त्यांचं decomposition होतं. Decomposition माहिती आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
Eruption. Yes. Decomposition माहिती आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
They slowly decomposes. Corrupt व्हायला start होतो. After that, next one, oil and solvent resistance is not very good. Means butyl rubbers, they are not properly registered to oil and solvent. This one also asked which of the following rubber is not oil resistance. Which rubber?
Butyl
Many rubber are oil resistance. Okay. Chloroprene are oil resistance. Then next nitrile rubbers are also oil resistance. These are the types of rubber. How many types?
4 types.
Four types.
Maybe there are different types of the rubber, but we are discussed in types of rubber. 4 types: nitrile rubber, butyl rubber, chloroprene, that is neoprene, and silicone rubber. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next point, manufacturing of rubber closure. These are the rubber closures. Did you see this image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And how these rubber closures are manufactured? We have to study in the rubber, which is used as a packaging material for the pharmaceutical product. So how this manufacturing is done? Which steps are involved in it? So in which first one, manufacturing of rubber? Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
The basic steps in the manufacturing of the rubber closure involve following steps. Basic steps for the manufacturing of the rubber closures involve following steps, in which first one, raw material are tested for identity and purity. Means ज्या मटेरियल जी रबर यूज करून आपण जे रॉ मटेरियल यूज करतोय ते मटेरियल फर्स्टली त्याची आयडेंटिटी म्हणजे कोणती रबर आपण त्या मटेरियल साठी यूज करणार आहे ते फर्स्टली आयडेंटिफाय करायचं आहे आणि प्युरिटी करायची आहे. त्याच्यासाठी द रॉ मटेरियल इज टेस्टेड. फर्स्टली ते रॉ मटेरियल टेस्ट करायचं आहे टू आयडेंटिफाय अँड टू चेक द प्युरिटी ऑफ दिस rubber. Then second, formulation ingredients are weighed. ते क्लोजर बनवण्यासाठी जे फॉर्म्युलेशन इन्ग्रेडियंट जे आहेत ते इन्ग्रेडियंट वे करायचे. Then next one, formulation ingredient means as such rubber यूज करून क्लोजर्स बनवले जात नाही. त्याच्यामध्ये some additives are also added. की फक्त रबर यूज करून बनवायचे क्लोजर्स?
No, ma'am.
There are some other substances are added. So therefore, formulation ingredient for the rubber are weighed. Then batch ingredients are mixed, and these weighed ingredients they are mixed together. They properly mix करायचे आहेत आणि ते again test करायचे आहेत. Tested to check their purity. Then this mixture is placed in the extruder. Extruder, it is a machine. ही एक machine आहे which press the solid and viscous media through the die machine. म्हणजे एक्सट्रुडर ही एक मशीन आहे ती प्रेस करते सॉलिड किंवा विस्कस जे मटेरियल असतं त्या मटेरियलला थ्रू दी डाय. म्हणजे आपण त्या मोल्ड मध्ये किंवा डाय मध्ये एक्सट्रुडेड मशीनच्या डाय मध्ये किंवा मोल्ड मध्ये हे जे मिक्सचर आहे हे इन्ग्रेडियंट फर्स्टली वे केले, आफ्टर दॅट ते प्लेस केले तर ही एक्सट्रुडर मशीन त्याला प्रेस करते. मोल्ड माहितीये तुम्हाला? मोल्ड म्हणजे साचा. त्याच्यामध्ये ते मटेरियल प्लेस करायचं आहे and this mixture when placed in the extruder then it create or it molded by the compression. मग ते त्या साच्यामध्ये भरल्यानंतर त्याच्यावर कॉम्प्रेशन प्रेशर अप्लाय केला जातो. आफ्टर दॅट त्या मोल्ड मधून ते बाहेर काढायचे आहेत. दिस मोल्डेड शीट इज ट्रिम्ड. मग त्या मोल्डेड म्हणजे त्या साच्यामधून बाहेर काढल्यानंतर हे जे क्लोजर्स आहेत ते वन बाय वन सेपरेट करायचे आहेत. त्या साच्यामध्ये सपोज ते एकमेकांना चिटकले असतील ऍडेजिव्ह प्रॉपर्टीमुळे तर ते ट्रिम्ड. ट्रिमिंग माहितीये?
No, ma'am.
ट्रिमर
No,
कटिंग.
ma'am.
तर ते जर का मोल्डेड शीट आहे म्हणजे त्या साच्यामध्ये जे सगळे क्लोजर्स मॅन्युफॅक्चर केलेले आहेत फर्स्टली आपण ते मिक्सचर त्याच्यामध्ये टाकलं जे फॉर्म्युलेशन मिक्सचर आहे ते. आफ्टर दॅट जे आपल्याला मोल्डेड शीट आहे ती मोल्डेड शीट ट्रिमिंग म्हणजे कटिंग करायची आहे. हे सेपरेट करायचे आहेत आपल्याला क्लोजर्स. जर ते एकमेकांना स्टिक झाले असतील तर ते सेपरेट करायचे आहे. दॅट इज ट्रिमिंग. देन दे आर वॉश्ड. आफ्टर दॅट ते वॉश करायचे आहेत अँड some lubricants are applied. Lubricants means these are the substances, they are help to reduce the friction in between surfaces. म्हणजे सपोज त्या साच्यामध्ये हे जे दोन मोल्डेड केलेले आहेत म्हणजे त्या मोल्ड मध्ये हे क्लोजर्स एकमेकाला स्टिक झाले असतील. कर्सर दिसतोय तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
तर ते स्टिक झाले असतील तर ते विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रिमर म्हणजे ट्रिमरच्या हेल्पनी ते आपल्याला कट करायचे आहेत, सेपरेट करायचे आहेत. आफ्टर दॅट ते वॉश करायचे आहेत अँड देन lubricants are applied. Lubricants काय करतात तर these are the substances, they are help to reduce the friction between surfaces. तर ह्या surfaces मधलं जे फ्रिक्शन आहे ते कमी करतात. तर त्यासाठी lubricants are applied on the molding. Then stoppers are autoclaved. मग हे जे stoppers किंवा closures manufacture झालेले आहेत ते if there is need to autoclave. Autoclave कशासाठी असतं? Hot air horn, moisture sterilization. What is sterilization? Do you remember? Anyone? Do you remember in our previous lecture? We discussed about sterilization. Yeah. So they remove microorganisms. So if there is need to autoclave, म्हणजे जर का तिथं गरज असेल तर स्टॉपरला क्लोजरला आपण ते पॅरेंटल प्रिपरेशन स्टोअर करण्यासाठी यूज करणार असेल तर ते ऑटोक्लेव करायचे आहे. दॅट इज स्टरिलायझेशन. त्याचं जे मिनिंग सांगितलं यांनी करेक्ट वन. स्टरिलायझेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड इफ देअर इज नेसेसरी. देन ऑटोक्लेव स्टरिलायझेशन इज ऑटोक्लेव टेक्निक इज यूज्ड फॉर देअर स्टरिलायझेशन. Stoppers are tested. Closures or stoppers, they are tested for conformation by chemical and physical testing. Means for conformation of this closure or stopper, physical and chemical tested are performed, and after that they are available for the packaging, and then they are used for packaging or sealing of the container. This is manufacturing of rubber. All of you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How the rubber closures are manufactured or rubber stoppers are manufactured by these steps. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In today's lecture, we discuss metal. Last one and next and last one point, which is used as a packaging material for packaging of pharmaceutical product, in which we discuss advantages, disadvantages, in general information related to rubber, types of rubber, and last one is the manufacturing of rubber. Here we complete rubber as a packaging material and also we finish unit number 2, packaging material. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.